What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn, and we're back at again with another POV, man. Hey, we in somebody's hood right now, you feel me? And yeah, just taking a drive at nighttime, exploring the whole city and shit in New York and shit, you feel me? We about to go onto the fucking expressway type shit. Yeah, we in somebody's hood. We're nearby somewhere right now. Feel me? I feel like I'm stuttering and shit, but yeah. We finna go on the expressway right here. You dig? See? Yeah. Who that? FedEx. Right there, man. So, yeah, we in the way. Let me put these windows up so that y'all could hear me clearly and shit. So, let me see some. I ain't trying to cut up on them, but yeah. How y'all guys doing and shit? Y'all doing great. Today is a Friday. I hope y'all having fun. You feel me? Today's what, payday for most people. You know what I'm saying? So I guess most of these people is going out or some shit or coming from somewhere. You feel me? That had fun and shit. Go take a drink, smoke, and chill with friends and shit. Or all the people that's home, the introverts that's home chilling, watching a movie and shit. Yeah. But unlike me, I'm an introvert too, you feel me? But I'm out here driving and shit. That's to make content for y'all. You feel me? So I'm just driving. Look at these. Look at over there. Beautiful lights and shit. Yeah, we in New York City, man. Where all the lights are. I know we ain't going to Times Square and shit, where all the other beautiful lights are at, but yeah, I'm showing you half of, not really half, but some part of New York, you feel me? We in the Bronx type shit. So yeah. So we here chilling, driving. Yeah. Who is this nigga right here? This nigga cutting up and shit. That one over there. Yeah, man, we in eco mode, man, but we slowly driving, man. You feel me? We in eco mode, we not in sport, man. You feel me? If we were in sport, I'll be cutting up and shit with, you feel me? Driving past a lot of people. But now I'm in eco mode, trying to save gas, you feel me? I'm low on gas right now, you see? Right there. But yeah, we on the way to the fucking mall, man. Trying to get something to eat type shit. I'm kind of low-key hungry and shit. So trying to go to the mall and see if I could get something to eat before they close and shit. So yeah. Yeah, I'm in the fast lane, but I'm moving slow. Is that crazy? Well, I'm not even moving slow, but I'm driving speed limit. I ain't gonna lie, this car right here, you see this shit? I'm low-key making the car drive by itself type shit. You see that lane? That's this shit right there? Yeah. The car's basically driving up by itself type shit. I'm not even touching the steering wheel like that. And the shit that's moving by itself. Same thing with cruising. You know, when you're on cruising and you're on a long-ass journey, on a long-ass trip, like 2 hours, 3 hours type shit. Yo. These new cars, bro, you could set it. I make the car do that time shit. So you drive by itself, and you set a speed limit. So if you know the speed limit is 50, just put the time on 50, so that the speedometer don't even pass 50, and you just let the car drive by itself. Type shit. low-key tired too, man. I ain't even do shit today, man. I'm just making a little content for y'all. See them bulls right there? Yeah, man, I'm driving at a moderate speed, bro. Matter of fact, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I forgot to tell y'all this, man. Like, comment, bro. Like and comment, bro. And subscribe. If y'all like the night POVs, man, we don't gotta be cutting up at all times or speeding up and shit. But at least driving at a moderate speed, bro, and just exploring the whole environment, you feel me? The whole aspect of driving and the whole outside type shit. The nature, you feel me? The buildings, the trees, the cars, the trucks, everything. Yeah, on gang. Yeah, bro, I know this car ain't no BMW or Mercedes or no exotic shit. I just want y'all to fuck with me, man. Just keep on liking and subscribing, man. Later down in life, I will soon get those type of cars for better content and shit. But for now, y'all gotta work with what I got. I got a fucking Honda, bro. 21. Sport. And I'm still giving off, POVs and shit. Because that's what I want to do. Feel me? So don't be coming for me and shit just because it's not no BMW or no Mercedes or no other super luxury car and shit. But we ain't coming for my ass like that. I'm a little gay shit. What the fuck? This nigga bugging out. This nigga just step in the middle of the fucking road, bro. Nigga tweaking. Don't fucking hazard light on, bro. This nigga gonna cause an accident, bro. These niggas don't even think, bro. Like, they don't got no shit on their fucking mind, bro. Like, what the fuck? They think they the only one living in this shit. They don't think for themselves, man. Like, what the fuck? This motherfucker jig crazy as fuck, shit. Boys tripping, man. I say, man. Tomorrow I got a whole big date ahead of me. Tomorrow again, I gotta go do a defensive driving course. Yeah, man, just to get my insurance lower. That's good, right? Yeah. Longhorn. If y'all ate Longhorn, I don't know, man. I never tried that shit before, but let me know how it tastes and shit. And over here, we at the mall right now. Feel me? Yeah, I got this circus over there. Y'all want to see the circus and shit? Let me show y'all. We got stickies over there. Stickies, man. We got Shake Shack over there. We got the circus right here. Bunch of clowns and shit. I don't think it's open. I don't know if it's bum ass nigga right here. I don't know if it's open or what, but that's what's going on over there and shit. Got Applebee's right there. I think most of this place is closed. I think Shake Shack is closed too. No funny shit. Gang, yeah. I think they closed, bro. You got the Beamer right here. What am I gonna eat, man? Like, what the hell? I don't want no fucking McDonald's. McDonald's don't taste good. I mean, it tastes good, but I don't want no McDonald's, man. Trying to get some good ass eats, man. Target over there. Yeah, but all the food places closed. Panda Express. Stop sign, nigga. Stop, nigga. What that Bath and Body Works, man. Yo, with personal help, man. Y'all go get some Bath and Body Works shit, man. This man, good, proper hygiene, bitch ass, nigga. Get your fucking shit on, man. Let's stop and shop over there. Right there. Ay. I think we're gonna stop it right here. We got the movies. I was just coming from over there. Type shit. I was just coming from over there. What you doing, nigga? Don't fucking move. Yeah, bro, I just coming from over there. I went to watch Imaginary and Kung Fu Panda 4. Yeah, they was good. They both was good. Imaginary was good. I would rate that like a 7 out of 10. The Kung Fu Panda. That shit was funny as well, but I would rate that shit like an 8 out of 10. But yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Stop playing. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. That's the only way we gonna go up, man. POVs, man.